Reminisce on dangerous summers, was just a thug nigga working for drug dealers in neighborhood. Run about the age of 13, we was gunning, and it was fun to see the police running. Niggas disappear when we come and live. Nappy hair shorty, addicted to drinking 40. My niggas is naughty, and y'all niggas is fucking corny. But you left me in the summer of '89, a very good year. Crack cocaine sales rose.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Beamer-Fonz, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to RSA delete / patch your E90 ECU and how to install the 330i flash from Beamer Labs. Now right now Beamer Labs, the website isn't working, so I can't really show you how to do that, but basically you go into the internet, go to Beamer Labs, and you're going to go to the project section, enter your VIN, your car information, and then it should come up with two files for you to download for your vehicle. So once you get those files, it should look like this. So excuse me. So I've got these two files, which are, you can see here, this is the RSA delete, and then the other one is, this is the tune file. Now the tune file takes a minute to flash. The RSA delete basically rewrites the entire ECU, so that took about 10 minutes for me to flash. So now when you've downloaded, or when you have all this, you're gonna need winkfp, and then what you're gonna do after you have everything downloaded is you're gonna go into your files, your file explorer, go up to home, gonna go up to here, you're gonna type in this, click it, gonna go to NFS, CFGDAT, then you're gonna open CoAPI. Then this is going to look all the same. The only thing you're going to be missing is this part right here, BSU active off. You're going to need to add this in exactly how I have it. So capital B, lowercase su, and then capital active equals capital off. So once you've got that, save this, close it, close that. Next you're going to open winkfp. So then once you're in winkfp, you go to configurations, and you want your configurations to be just like this. So make sure your configurations are set up like this, set your API trace levels to 1, and make sure the directories are correct. And if you have downloaded everything the way it's supposed to be, then it should be. So once that's done, just click OK. It will say a couple things. Just click yes to those. And then you can close winkfp. And when you download your tune files, they are going to show up in your downloads. And what you're going to want to do is just extract them to the desktop here. So when you extract them, go to the desktop and you'll just see the bare files. Then make a folder, one called N52 RSA delete, and drag the RSA, or sorry, you can extract them directly to that folder too. Make 2 folders and then extract them to the proper folders, but make each of them their own folder. So once you have that done, then you're going to want to go into Device Manager. Device Manager, you're going to want to go up to, you're going to want to find ports, but I don't have ports on here because I don't have a cable connected. So just give me a second, I'm going to connect a cable and I will show you. Okay, so I've got my Pro Tool cable connected, and now you can see you have this where it says ports. So double click this, you can see where it says COM1. You want to go to port settings, make sure this is all the same. Then you're going to go to advanced, You're gonna set your port number to COM1. It has to be COM1, otherwise your cable will have connection issues. And then latency timer 1. So make sure all of that is correct. And then once you've got all that, you are pretty much ready to flash. So save all that, basically click OK, blah blah blah, save all that. If you guys don't know how to save stuff like on your desktop and go through your computer, like if you don't know how to go through your computer and use command prompts, this is probably too advanced for you. Okay, so once you've done all that and all of your options are exactly the same as I have them, open up your RSA delete, run this program. You don't need internet, it's just telling me that it can't protect the computer if anything happens. And you're gonna have a screen like this, and it's gonna tell you blah blah blah, warning. Oh, one thing I forgot to tell you to do. Open up either winkfp or MSV70 quick flash. I'm gonna close this. And just make sure, I need an internet connection, but make sure it just is detecting your cable. As long as your computer is detecting the cable, you're fine. And also close any background stuff that you have open except for the files you're using. So basically click on this. Once that opens, it's going to give you a warning telling if you fuck up your car, it's not their fault. Sorry, I didn't mean to say that. So you hit enter. It's going to give you all this extra warning. Press enter one more time, and that's when your flash is going to start. So make sure your cable's connected, make sure your computer's in a good spot, make sure your battery's on a tender, and if all that is good, you've made sure all the boxes are checked, hit OK. And it's going to run through the whole thing and it will start flashing your car for you. Oh, actually, it's going to tell you the files are copied and then it'll be ready to flash. So once you enter, it will flash your car, and this will take about 10 minutes. Now, I don't have it cooked up right now. I'm just going to insert a couple clips of me flashing the car. And then, yeah. So once the RSA delete finishes, it's going to say press any key to continue. You're going to press OK, and it's going to ask you for it's going to tell you it's going to tell you how everything went. And as long as it says programming OK at the bottom, which you'll see in the next clip, then you can close this, open up your tune file, and do the same thing. Open this, run it, enter, enter. It's going to do the same thing, and this one should be way quicker. Now it says it couldn't do it or whatever. It says it's complete because the car is obviously not connected to the car. But now I will show you guys the actual flashing process and the first startup and first drive of my car. So I obviously get all these errors because it's not connected to the OBD port, but when it is, it starts flashing everything. Well, here we go. It's either going to go really well or it's going to go terrible. I am fucking scared. I am terrified. Gonna go make sure nothing's plugged in. Everything's turned off. Turn the radio off. Unplug my auxiliary. Unplug the lighter. Okay. Boy, oh boy, here we go. Be very careful where you walk here. If any of this is unplugged, I can't drive my car after, so just be very careful. It's changing all the software in the car's computer, so just be very, very careful. Oh my god. Well, we're gonna see how this goes. Either it's gonna go great or terrible. but we're installing a 330i tune because I have the 3-stage intake manifold right now. So 50% done doing the RSA patch. Then after the RSA patch, we install the tune. Alright, the tune is installing. And it's done! It's done! Oh my god! Oh my god, so we should have an extra 70 horsepower. Oh my god. Yeah, boy! Programming okay. Woo! Okay, we're good to go! Okay, so now I gotta shut the car off. I gotta shut the car off, let it clear all its errors. Okay, looks like we're at its head. Cycle the key a few times. So I'll unplug the computer. I'll take the laptop off of there. Okay, this is the scary part. It's the first startup. Runs. Did a little funny thing there, but we'll just let it run for a few minutes.
How do you doing?
Hey.
Well, what you doing on that?
Oh my god. So I'm gonna let it run for a few minutes and let it relearn its idle, because you just replaced everything inside the computer. You just erased and rewrote everything. So I'm gonna let this fucking run, then we're gonna take it for a drive. Okay, so I just installed the 330i tune from Beamer-Labs. The pickup is insane. Insane. I can't believe this is the same car. I just finished the tune, and now the car is running absolutely fucking mint. Let's put it in sport mode. That's not even, that's like half throttle. Oh, you can feel it pick up. Holy crap. I'm gonna have to do a better video once I go to work, but oh my god. Okay, so if you guys install the 3-stage manifold, the tune makes a massive, massive difference. Holy crap. What a massive fucking difference. Okay, I'll do a third gear pull. And that's still not full throttle, it's like 70-80% roughly. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys can get your vehicle tuned yourself without much effort. And also, if you are if the Beamer-Labs site is down, when the page doesn't load, go onto Chrome, type in this isn't safe, all in one word, refresh the page, and it will load the page for you. It's basically like a walk around, or a, you know what I'm trying to say, a loophole, in order to get the page to load without the security certificate, because that is why the Beamer-Labs site is not loading, it has an expired security certificate. So, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. This has been an interesting video even for me to make. A very scary video because I thought I was going to ruin my car. But, yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. So I can keep making these videos for you guys. And the next one will be a before and after of the tune and manifold. So, Beamer-Fonz out. Peace.